Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today we are going to dive into a fundamental concept in probability and statistics, which is random variables and probability distribution. Okay, random variables play a crucial role in describing outcome of random process in mathematical terms, providing a way to quantify uncertainty. We will explore what a random variable is and discuss two major types of random variable, which is discrete random variable and also continuous random variable. Okay, at the end of this topic, you will able to define and distinguish between discrete and also continuous random variable. Second, you'll be able to identify real-world example of discrete and continuous random variable. And the last one is you will be able to calculate the probability distribution function and cumulative distribution function for discrete and continuous random variable. Okay, so for this topic, we will cover about two types of random variable, which is discrete random variable and also continuous random variable. For each types of random variable, you also will learn about the probability distribution, cumulative distribution, and also mean and variance. Okay, what is a random variable? A random variable is a quantity resulting from an experiment that by chance can assume different value. Okay, in simple words, a random variable is a numerical outcome of a random experiment. It assigns a numerical value to each possible outcome of a random process. Random variables are often denoted by capital letters such as X, Y, and Z. Okay, for example, if we toss two coins and count the number of heads, there could be 0, 1, or 2 heads. Thus, the number of heads appearing is the random variable. So, this one is our X. X is the number of heads appearing. Okay, so if X is the number of heads appearing, so our X is 0, 1, or 2. So, since we have two coins, so the probability that we will get the head is, let's say, tail head, head tail, and head head, and also tail tail. Okay, so the probability we get the number of head is this one. Head is 1. This one also 1. This one also probability is 2 head. Okay, and then this one probability is 0. Okay, so that's why our X is 0, 1, or 2. Okay, for example, another example, if we roll a die. Okay, so let's say we have a die. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 or 6. So the probability outcomes can be any of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Okay, so X is represent the outcome of this roll. Then X is a random variable because the outcome is uncertain until the die is rolled. Okay, so our X could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. A random variable may be either discrete or continuous. So let's take a look for the discrete random variable. A discrete random variable take distinct, separate value. These are often countable values such as the number of children in a family, rolling a die, or the number of components that fit in the bridge of a 1 year. So that one is a discrete random variable. So we can count the number itself. For example, x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, so now we move to the example of discrete random variable in civil engineering. Okay, so consider the reliability of bridge components. Okay, so we can define a discrete random variable as the number of components that fail in a year. Okay, so possible value are 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, up to the number of components. Okay, and then this one helps engineers estimate reliability and design maintenance schedule. So this is the importance of the discrete random variable. Okay, so now we move to the continuous random variable. Unlike discrete random variable, continuous random variable can take infinitely many values within a range. For example, x is between 0 to 1. So it can be any value within this range. For example, the height of student in the class or the flow rate of a river is a continuous random variable. Okay, so we take a look at the example of continuous random variable in civil engineering. Okay, so consider designing a dam based on the flow rate of a river. The flow rate is a continuous variable because it can take any positive value. Okay, so when it can take any possible value, that one is a continuous random variable. Okay, so understanding this distribution will help engineers design dams that can handle extreme condition like flood. Okay, so this is the one of the importance of continuous random variable. Okay, so in the next video, we will go deeper into solving examples and problems related to this distribution and also their probability distribution of discrete and also random or continuous random variable. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.